Всем общий салем. Футбольный клуб Астана на следующей неделе встречается с шотландским Селтиком. Игра пройдет в Глазго в рамках Лиги чемпионов. Я решил поговорить с шотландцами, они поделились своим мнением и прогнозами по поводу предстоящего матча. Ну так что же сказали шотландцы? Давайте посмотрим.
My prediction is 3-1 to Celtic at home in Glasgow.
What about second match, which will be held in Kazakhstan?
2-1 to Celtic.
Die-hard Rangers fan, I really hope Celtic will lose. But the way Celtic have been playing, they've been unbeaten since last year. I can't see them losing, unfortunately. I think at Parkhead, which is where you play next week, it'll be 3-1 to Celtic. You'll get an away goal, which gives you a chance at home, but ultimately I think Celtic will win overall.
Maybe you would wish
Yes.
success or
Yes.
to Celtic or Astană?
No, I wish very much that Celtic lose, and lose badly, lose really badly. I know which team I'll be supporting next week, and it will not be Celtic. Put it that way.
I've never seen Astană play before.
Astană.
Astană. I've never seen Astană play before, so I'll predict maybe 3-1. Celtic to win 3-1.
You think so?
Yes.
Why?
I believe Celtic is stronger than anything from your country.
I think Celtic will win 3-1.
3-1?
Yeah, 3-1.
What about the second match, which will be in Kazakhstan?
In Kazakhstan, I think maybe 1-0 Astana. I think we might lose 1-0.
Next week, I think Celtic will win 2-0 at home.
What about you?
3.
You think
St.
so?
Paddy Roberts, man. 3-0 in a bag.
What about second match?
6-0. Throw leg. 6-0.
And Celtic.
Second match, I say it'll be one each straw in Astana. I'll give Astana.
Oh, thank you so much. Why are you so sure that Celtic
It's
win?
Celtic because we put you out last year and I think we've just got a bit better since then. Our players are better now, we've gelled together. There's a buzz about the players.
Just one moment, just one. Okay, just imagine. Just imagine, if Astană wins, what will you do?
Oh, we'll be in the Europa League, I'll be crying. We'll need to play in the Europa League, playing league matches on a Sunday, it'll be awful.
Yeah.
But good luck.
What do you think about prediction?
So, I'm quite confident. I think we'll win 2-0. An easy victory.
Celtic is gonna win it.
Celtic win 2-0.
For me, I think with the lack of centre backs at the moment, I think Astană will get a goal, and I think it'll end up 3-1 Celtic.
And what's the score?
3-1 to Celtic.
3-1.
Yep.
What about the second match, which will be after
Second
that?
match,
I think we'll win.
I'm still confident.
I think it'll be a 1-1 draw.
I'll settle for a draw away from home.
1-1 draw.
Probably a score draw as well. Yeah.
Just as long as we get an away goal to put us through.
Speaking generally, Celtic will win both.
Yes,
Yes.
100%.
Yeah, definitely.
And why are you sure?
I just think we're the stronger side. I think after last year, after last year's performance against Astană, I think we've improved a lot. And I don't think they're much better, so I'm feeling a lot more confident than last year's
Yeah, because we don't know much about Astană, to be honest. Like, we know last year, but ever since then we have become a lot better of a team than what we were then, so I can't really see another sort of way of going other than a Celtic win.
3-0 Celtic.
Astană is gonna, Celtic is gonna win.
Celtic will win 3-0.
So what's the score?
Sorry?
The score.
3-0.
Why do you think Celtic win?
Why?
Yeah, why?
Just the players recently have been performing really well, so I think they'll do it. They're going through to the Champions League.
Yes. What about second match, which will be held in Kazakhstan?
I think it'll be a 1-1 draw. The away form isn't too well in Europe, so I don't think we'll win that. We'll go well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If Astană wins, what will you do?
If they win overall,
Yeah.
I don't know. Not too sure about that one.
Okay. What about you? What's your prediction?
2-0.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For next Wednesday's match.
Next Wednesday, 2-0 to Celtic.
2? Oh.
2-0, yes.
Oh. So what about the second match, which will be in Kazakhstan? And Celtic will win again.
Yes.
So why are you so sure?
No chance.
Got to be positive.
Right. That's correct, yes.
Not positive, there's no point, is there?
Okay.
If Astana wins, what will you do?
Cry.
Okay.
Kazakhstan.
Yeah, good.
Kazakhstan! Astana!
Астана! Короче, ребята, шотландцы считают, что их команда победит Астану со счетом 2-0, 3-0. В общем, неважно, главное, что победит, так они думают. Ну, посмотрим, там видно будет. От себя могу добавить только вот что. В следующем выпуске вы увидите репортаж прямо с матча. Селтик Астана, Лига чемпионов. Вы почувствуете атмосферу, как фанаты Селтика болеют против Астаны. И как фанаты Астаны будут поддерживать свою команду. Так что будьте на связи.